how to open a Vantage account. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, just click on register right here in the vantagemarkets.com website. Then after that, just click on trade now. And then once you're here, what you want to do first is to input your country, then your email, then the email verification code, your password referred by. So if someone referred to you this website, you can add them here and then choose whether if you are an individual or a company. And then after that, read these boxes right here. So if you are not a US resident, make sure that this box is ticked. But if you are a US resident, just leave this box on tick, and then after that, just agree with the terms of services of the Vantage website, and then just click on create account. So first, I'll just add my email right here. And then once you're done adding your email, just click on send code right here to get the verification code from your email. And then once you've gotten the code, just paste the code right here. And then just input any password you like. And then once you're done, you can input this section right here if someone referred to you this website, but if someone didn't refer you to this website, you can just leave this blank. And then after that, choose which circle right here best applies to you. For me, I am an individual, so I'll just leave this box tick. And then I am not also a US resident, so I will leave this box ticked and then just click on I agree right here. And then after that, just click on create account. So just wait for this to load. And then there you go. You have now created your account in Vantage. So after that, Vantage will now ask you for your personal details like your first name, your last name, your gender, your date of birth, your phone number, your country of main residency, and your nationality. So just input these details, and then once you're done, just simply click on next. Then after that, it will now ask you for the account configuration. So just choose your trading platform right here. So you can choose MetaTrader 5, Popular Copy Trading, and MetaTrader 4. I'll just stick with MetaTrader 5 since it is recommended. And then after that, just choose your account type. So you can choose standard, raw, trading view, cent standard, cent raw, and perpetual. So for me, I'll just leave it at standard. And then lastly, just choose your account currency. So feel free to choose on what kind of currency you want to use for your account. So for me, I'll just make it into USD. And then after that, just click on this box right here and then just click on next. And then there you go. It says right here, complete read-only account opening. So fast deposits are now possible. So for transactions, ID verification is required. So just click on ID verification right here. And then after that, what you want to do now is to choose what kind of ID you'll be using. So you can use your passport or your national ID or another kind of ID. So I will just click on passport right here, enter your passport number, then upload the picture of your passport as a proof of identity, and then make sure that your passport or your ID picture is not blurry, not incomplete, and not reflective. And then make sure that your photos right here correspond with these details right here. So your photo has to be issued by government with full name, date of birth, and photo documents must not be expired. If document with issue date documents must have a unique document number, it must be a photo or scan copy of the original documents. So it cannot be a digital document. And then lastly, no black and white photos. And then once you're done, just click on submit. And then all you have to do now is just wait until your ID has been verified. And then after that, you can now start trading in the Vantage website. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open a Vantage account. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit and withdraw funds from your Vantage account. This process is essential for effectively managing your investments, whether you're depositing new capital or withdrawing profits. So let's dive in and simplify this process for you. First, you need to navigate to the Vantage Markets website. Once they're logged into your account using your credentials, ensure that your login details are secure and up to date to avoid any access issues. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the deposit button. Click on it to initiate the process of adding funds to your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to deposit. Make sure this amount aligns with your financial strategy. Once you've decided on an appropriate amount, confirm your decision by clicking the Continue button. This will lead you to the next important step, selecting your preferred deposit method. This could be via credit card, e-wallet, or bank transfer, among other options. Choose the method that best suits your needs and follow the on-screen instructions specific to your selected payment method. Before finalizing the transaction, it's crucial to review all entered details. Double-check accuracy to avoid any mistakes, then click Confirm or Submit to proceed. Depending on your choice of payment method, you'll either be redirected to a payment gateway for cards and e-wallets, or you'll be shown bank details if you've opted for a wire transfer. Once you complete this process, the final step is to wait patiently for the funds to appear in your account. The funds will reflect once the transaction is complete. Moving on to how you can withdraw funds from your Vantage account, start by clicking on the Funds option found in the top menu. From here, select the Withdrawal tab to initiate a withdrawal process. You'll need to input the withdrawal amount. Be sure that this amount adheres to your financial planning and click Continue to Advance. After specifying the amount, you'll choose your preferred withdrawal method. Typically, Vantage will send withdrawals back to the same method you used for depositing due to anti-money laundering regulations. It's worth noting that Vantage is quite efficient with processing withdrawals, usually completing requests within 1 business day. This quick turnaround ensures you have timely access to your funds when needed. There you have it, a straightforward guide to managing deposits and withdrawals in your Vantage account. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your referral code on Vantage. This process involves a few straightforward steps, and by the end of this guide, you'll be all set with your new referral setup. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Vantage account. Make sure to have your login credentials at the ready so you can smoothly access your account. Once logged in, the next step involves navigating to your profile. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll spot 3 little dots. Click on these and then select the profile option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the section where you can make changes related to your account preferences and settings. Now, when you're in your profile, look for the option labeled Transfer IBCPA Sales and give that a click. It's crucial that you select the correct tab, as this controls the transfer of your referral code and related settings. You will encounter a drop-down menu where you need to select your partnership type. For instance, if you're involved with an introducing broker, you'll select IB. Be sure to choose carefully because this defines the nature of your referral arrangement. Next, you'll need to enter your new CPA ID, which is also known as your affiliate code or your IB number if you're dealing with a rebate account. Should you have a promotion invitation code, you'll input that here as well. It's important to double check these numbers for accuracy to ensure that your referral transfer goes through without a hitch. Following this, you'll be asked to type in a reason for your transfer. This part is fairly straightforward. Just explain briefly why you're making this change. It's an essential step that helps Vantage maintain records and possibly improve their services, accommodating the reasons for transfers. After providing your reason, you'll need to confirm a couple of things via checkboxes or radio buttons. Firstly, verify that you've closed all open positions. This is a vital step as it ensures that your trading activities are not affected by this transfer. Secondly, you need to agree to transfer all your trading accounts to the new IB, CPA, or sales partner you've selected. These confirmations help safeguard your interests as well as ensure compliance with Vantage's policies. Finally, to wrap up the process, go ahead and click the Submit button. Go through your changes one last time to ensure everything is correct before you finalize the process. Once submitted, your referral information will be updated to reflect the choices you've made. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your referral code on Vantage. Remember to check your account details to confirm everything is in order after the transfer. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an MT5 live account in Vantage. This guide will walk you through each step clearly and confidently, ensuring you're set up and ready to trade in no time. Let's dive into this process together. To start, you'll need to visit the official Vantage Markets website. Once you're there, navigate to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Register button. Click on it to begin setting up your account. During registration, you'll be prompted to fill out a few essential details. Make sure to accurately enter your name, email, and phone number, and create a robust password. Keeping your information secure is crucial, so make your password strong yet memorable. If you happen to already have a Vantage account, simply log in using your registered email and password instead. This step helps you bypass the registration process and access your account details directly. Once your MT5 live account is set up, you won't need to wait too long. You'll receive an email containing your MT5 login ID, a password, and the server name. It's important to save this information in a safe place as you'll need it for future logins and trades. Now that you're in your account, look towards the top right and locate the three-dot menu. Click on it and then select Downloads from the drop-down menu. This will lead you to the section where you can download the MetaTrader 5 platform. Follow the on-screen instructions to download MT5 onto your PC, and then proceed to install the application. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open the application. To log into your new trade account, click on File in the menu bar, and then select Login to Trade Account. A login window will appear, and this is where you'll use the details sent to your email earlier. Start by entering your unique login ID followed by your password. Make sure these details are entered accurately to ensure a successful login. Finally, select the server as provided by Vantage. After you've entered all these details, hit the Login button. Congratulations, you are now ready to start trading live on MT5 through Vantage. Your trading journey is just beginning, and understanding these foundational steps will set you up for success.